Imagine a future where America leads in quantum innovation, driven by small businesses. By unlocking their potential, the U.S. secures its tech edge and broadens quantum's impact. The National Quantum Literacy Network unites businesses, researchers, industry, and government to drive this progress. Our Small Business Quantum Emergency Preparedness program is designed to empower entrepreneurs with practical resources and training to address critical gaps in awareness and access by creating pathways to thrive in a multi-billion-dollar quantum supply chain. With a proven track record of fostering collaboration and innovation, hosting conferences from the Naval Academy in Annapolis to Georgia Tech, and pioneering a quantum literacy education e-learning platform for the South Carolina Quantum Association. Our entrepreneur support organization drives innovation and partnerships to create a sustainable ecosystem with SMEs, corporations, and higher education stakeholders. Stage 1 funding will enable us to develop training modules, pilot measurable solutions, and lay the groundwork for scalable impact during Stage 2. Our program empowers businesses to leverage quantum computing, cryptography, and sensing to gain a competitive edge, create jobs, and drive community growth.